Hello, this is Tony. In this video, I will show the two ways I propagate my Colocasias. It's very simple, just follow through and you'll know what I mean. The easiest form of propagation is through these stems that grow sideways called runners. You'll see that there are actually nodes on the stem, where this will be the growth point of the roots. What you need to do is just cut these stems and propagate them in the water. Just make sure your knife or scissors are sanitized and make a clean cut. Here I'm cutting all of the runners and propagate as many as I can for higher success rate. Next, all you need is some containers to water propagate these. You should be able to see new roots growing in 1 to 2 weeks' time. Fill up the water to cover 2 or more nodes point, so that there are multiple points for the roots to grow. Separating the baby plant from mother plant can be a little bit scary for beginners. Usually, the baby plant grows at the side of the mother plant and its roots is attached to the mother plant. But don't worry about it, Colocasias are very resilient. What you need to do is try to cut just below the bulge, as close as possible with some of the roots still attached. You can clean this a bit, then just chuck it in water to wait for the roots to grow. This one I'm putting this in a taller bottle and we'll be checking it in a few weeks' time. These water propagations are placed in a shaded area and the water is topped up when required. When you have enough starting roots, about few inches, you can move them and pot them in your potting medium. Here I'm using mostly cocoa peat with some organic soil mix. These are some of the Colocasias offsprings that have been potted. Just like the regular Colocasia care, it is watered daily and need to be moist at all times. That's all for now. Bye!